Hi mate, welcome to your GPL once again, and today I'm going to talk about a theme called Zilom. Zilom, it's an online education learning WordPress theme which you can use to create courses and any learning platform website in WordPress. One of a gentleman from Jodhpur named Manish Sharma has purchased this theme recently, so I'm going to create a video on this. In case if you are purchasing in this theme in future, then follow this to install it. Coming on real GPL, we do offer licenses which you can purchase. I will give the link of this page in description, which you can use to explore what all licenses we are offering. For example, Elementor Pro, Convert Pro, Codebox, PostX, Premium Add-ons, Better Docs, Presto Player. So approximately 200 plus licenses are here. Now I'm going to download the Zilom theme, okay, and I will use the file to install it on our test website. So it's getting downloaded. Now coming here to WordPress, go to appearance, go to themes, and wait for it to download. In the meantime, also go to settings and permalinks to see if post name is selected or not. If not, please do it and save it. This is your permalink structure. And while it is getting downloaded, I would like to let you know that we do also offer membership plans where you can download multiple items in a day. For example, if you purchase this Super Saver membership, which is valid for 6 months, you can download 15 items per day. Okay, that is quite high for a normal business person or a small agency or an individual business owner. Okay, now coming here, going to appearance, going to themes, add theme, upload theme, choose file. I will go to Zilom and unzip it first. Okay, after unzipping, inside we have two things called parent and child theme. I am going to install the parent first, as usually we do, and once done, we'll install the child theme and activate that. So membership link is given in the description. You can explore it to see what all we are offering. Okay, coming here, going to themes once again. Same process, add theme, upload theme, choose file. This time select the child one, open, install, and activate it. Once activated, install all the required plugins. I am clicking on begin installing plugin. Select all. From bulk action, click on install, apply. So this will install all the required plugins for this theme, which is obviously required for the demo import process. And you can see that there is some critical error. So what we are going to do now, we'll install the plugins one by one. So let me install it one by one, because any one plugin can give error. We'll see which one is causing it. Okay, MetaBox. So I open 3 tabs just to install multiple plugins at once, because this will save my time as we are doing one by one, and such problems can come anytime, so don't worry. Yep, so almost all is now installed. Let me also activate it. Elementor, contact form. And in case if you need Elementor Pro, you can buy it from website from here. Elementor Pro with license. Okay, so 2 plugins yet to be installed and others required activation. One is this one called Slider Revolution for Slider. Okay, done, almost done. Let me activate the other one. Seems this is giving error. events calendar. I will not install that as of now, and I will activate all other except that one. Okay, I hope this will work. So I was saying that one plugin can cause issue sometimes. All done. Let me try activating events calendar once again. Yep, it's working. So earlier it was not working because it might be dependent on some plugin which was not installed. Now once it is installed, it also got activated. Now we'll go to WordPress dashboard section and scroll down and come to theme settings and go to demo importer section, which is here at last. And now just click on import demo. So depending on server and all, it might take some time here. We have to wait for this process to be completed. So let's wait for it. It says no, please wait. Yeah, old dialog. So yeah, wait for it. So what I got to know that problems can come anytime in WordPress. So if any support is required on our website, you can use chat support, WhatsApp, email, and even support ticket. All is there. You can explore it. Chat, WhatsApp, email, and support. Anyone you can use. Okay. During IST times from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. we can reply in general. Otherwise, we'll take some time to reply you back. Okay, it is still in progress. We have to wait for it. Okay. So it says imported. Now let me go to the website and see the demo in action. It seems okay. Let it load. Yep, it seems okay. Everything is fine except the menu, which is obvious. Sometimes it can come like that. Not a big issue. Okay, so pages are working fine. Just the menu part is looking little longer. That's okay. Let's see if the menu is built using Elementor. It says header 1, so I'm clicking on it, and from there we can change it. So create a small menu. Okay, or if you want menu like that, you need to create a mega menu. You can use plugins like Elements Kit for that. Okay, it seems fine now. So that's it for this video. We'll see you soon in the next one. Enjoy your day and keep surfing from real GPL. Bye bye.